Sorry guys, just having a bit of fun. Today I'm going to be cooking something really cool. It's involving carrots, so stay tuned. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a raw carrot cake. It's going to be simple, easy and delicious, plus it's going to be really moist and tasty. But first of all, you're going to need a few ingredients to get the ball rolling. So I've just got my mold. I'm going to try something different here. I'm going to attempt to put my frosting down the bottom and then the actual carrot cake on top. So when you flip it over, it'll be nice and the frosting will be nice on top. So first of all, we're going to make our frosting. So what I've got here, I've got some cashews that I've soaked overnight. And I'm going to add these to my blender. Some water, lemon juice. And don't forget guys, I will leave all the ingredients listed down below so you won't miss a thing. We've got some vanilla extract. Good old maple syrup just to give it that sweetness. We've got our coconut oil. And last of all, just a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavours. I'm just going to put this on, I'm going to get this nice and smooth. I guess halfway through, let's give it a bit of a scrape down. It's come along really nicely. And what we'll do while that's going for 5 minutes, we'll start to prepare our carrots for the carrot cake bit. Alright, so once that's finished guys, what we're going to do, I'm going to evenly layer this out, hopefully, on the bottom of my moulds here. Right, so that's pretty much perfect for the amount I've got here. Scrape this last bit out. Absolutely perfect, there we go. I'll do. Give it a bit of a knock. All nice and flush at the moment. Looks pretty even to me, I'm pretty happy with that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stick that into the freezer, probably about half an hour. The coconut oil will make it nice and hard, and while that's in the freezer, I'm going to get our carrot cake mixture on. So what we've got here, I've got my little grater on top of my attachment here, and I'm just going to grate my carrots. And then pretty much from there, everything goes in, gets blended up, and it goes on top. So I'll show you what I've got here. So pretty much I've got my carrots. All right, with that done, we will put another attachment blade. I'm going to change it over. What we'll do, we're going to put our S1 in now, so this is going to pretty much chop everything up, so it's really nice. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to put my dates in first, because I want to get them really nice and fine. So if it's got everything else in it, it might just make it a little hard to actually chop up. So with the moisture of the carrots in there, it might make it a little bit easier to chop up. So let's see how we go. Right, so it's gotten a little better in there. What I'll do, add the rest of my ingredients here. So what we've got here, we've got some walnuts. We've got some desiccated coconut. And the nice spices here, we've got some cinnamon and we've got some nutmeg. They're the typical spices that you do put in a carrot cake. So once again, we'll put this back on and blend it up. As you can see, it's coming along really nicely. I actually don't mind those chunks of dates in there. They're going to be pretty good with the nice bit of texture. So what I'm going to do, I just want to scrape down the sides. So I'm just going to grab a spoon. That's what I'm going to do. I just want to scrape down the sides, get the rest of this stuff off the top here. Give it a good scrape, looks pretty good. Smells even better. So what we'll do, we're gonna give it another blend, just to give that little bit of extra blendage. Oh, I forgot my pinch of salt. So add a pinch of salt, just to enhance that flavour again. And one more process. And that's pretty much done. Just a bit of a taste. That's pretty good. With that out of the freezer, what we've got here, it's come up really nice and hard. I can just pull away the sides. So that's what we want. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to evenly put over some of our paste. What I might do, I just might make it a bit more compact and put it on to make it a little bit easier. Nearly there, just about finished. Last few little bits we can fill in. Give them a good push down. Give them a quick wash. What I'm going to do is going to give it another, probably just 10 minutes just to chill, and then we will take them back out and show you the finished product. Hopefully they turn out all right. Give them a bit of a squeeze.
You're supposed to squeeze them out.
Yeah, I know. So I don't want to reckon too much. Whoa, pretty good. Nearly there. Come on, where are you going? What are you doing to me? That's all right. Yeah, still a bit fresh, but that's all right. Oh.
So even the professionals have issues.
Yeah, that's all right. That's it. All right, we'll leave that one in there. Oh, we only got one out. That's all right. That's all good. Just pretty much just needs a little bit more in the freezer. So as you can see, got me nice, really nice, smooth frosting on top. Just got a few little bits and pieces on top. I'm pretty happy with that, guys. Really, really excited. I haven't made this one before. So don't forget, if you like it, subscribe, click that notification bell down below. It'll get you all my other recipes, and follow me when I make more. Yeah, hope you've enjoyed it, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.